Hey, welcome. I am glad you're here. I wanted to share with you another resource for virtual instruction and virtual learning, and that is BrainPOP. So, BrainPOP is a paid subscription, so there's different ways that you can purchase it. If you're with a school, likely they've already done that negotiating, and you can get packages with your school. They also have family options, and then they have homeschooling options. So, if you have two or less kids, family option is a great way to go. If you have more, you may want to try to do the homeschooling, and then it gives you some other different things as far as in your plan, in the package, different quizzes or different access to a couple different tools in the homeschooling versus the family. We just went with family. I used to do this whenever I homeschooled full time years back, and now that my kids are back at home more and we're pursuing homeschooling now in this upcoming year, I've just subscribed. So I just started a new subscription, and this is kind of what it looks like. So when you just start, you'll have your kids there that will be at the top. You can do grade levels. So you can see here, this is the kindergarten grade level, and you can look at science, and it's going to change. It's going to go through different things. So you can kind of pick all these different things as far as videos that you'd like to, videos for your kids to watch, and then little games that they can play. So it's pretty fantastic. So this is the junior, and then Brain Pop, just regular Brain Pop, is made for those. We'll switch it over to Brain Pop. So it has a little bit more advanced things, and then you can still adjust this based on grade level here. It goes up to grade 8. So that's nice. So for your older kids, or maybe with the wonderful thing of homeschooling is you can kind of push your kids up. So you know that you can, maybe it's technically a fourth grader, but they're reading at that sixth and seventh grade level. You can kind of give them some more challenging materials. So anyway, check it out. It's really, I think it's a nice resource to use. And I'll just give you a clip here. So it gives a movie, and then they have a quiz, and then it just breaks it all down. So, and then it has related topics. So check it out, brainpop.com, and best of luck. Take care. See you next time.